Hello buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can insert a SIM card to your Nothing phone. Last time we set it up and today we're going to insert this SIM card so you can make calls or send SMS or whatever you want to do. So for that you take your SIM card ejector or a simple paper clip, whatever you have. And then you go to the bottom of your phone, because here is where the SIM card slot is. Then you press a little bit and then this little tray pops out. You take it out and we see here SIM 1 and SIM 2. So we have the option to put in 2 SIM cards. Then you take your SIM card and look for the little edge that's also on your SIM card and then put it in. And then you take the whole thing and put it back in the phone. Make sure it's closed all the way. And now we need to put in the PIN for our SIM card. So now you also see that you have service, and when you swipe up to go to the settings, you can click on network and internet and you see SIM Kongster. Your phone accepted the SIM card and you can now make calls and SMS or whatever else you want to do. So that's how you insert a SIM card to your Nothing phone. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and hope to see you next time. Bye.